This is Agnes and welcome to my channel. Welcome to Nestify.
Our flight time to Baku will be 2 hours and 50 minutes. My name is Suhail. I'm the senior cabin crew for today's flight. Together with me, all the amazing crew. As always, we are here for your comfort and safety. For now, please fasten your seatbelts, close your tray tables, open your window blinds. Thank you very much for sitting us today. Now sit back, relax and enjoy the flight.
On and mute your electronic devices to be able to dedicate full attention and follow cruise instructions. سيداتي وسادتي، أود منكم الآن أن تنيروا طاقم الطائرة انتباها كاملا أنهم سيستعرضون مزايا السلامة في هذه الطائرة لكي تكونوا حاضرين لتعلموا ما يجب فعله في حالة وقوع أي طارئ. نرجو منكم نزع السماعات المتقدمة. For exit are over the wings وأربعة مخارج فوق الجناحين. To exit are behind the wing ومخرجان خلف الجناحين. To exit are in the rear ومخرجان في الخلف. In the event of evacuation, it's important to leave your luggage and follow the flow. That might can which will guide you to the emergency exit. في حالة إجراء الطائرة من المهم ترك الانتعاش واتباع علامات المسار التي سترشدكم إلى مخارج الطوارئ.
For today's video mga ka-Nestified, I will be sharing to you our part 2 of our Wizz Air flight to Baku, Azerbaijan from Abu Dhabi International Airport. And what you have saw a while ago is an in-flight basic emergency instructions.
Let me inform you that we do accept cash payments, UAE dirhams, US dollars, euros for card, Visa, Visa card, Mastercard, Apple Pay and Google Pay. Thank you and enjoy your flight.
So mga ka-Nestified, actually we are in Wizz Air Airbus SW7015. So smooth ang pag-take off niya. And we are going to enjoy the flight going to Baku, Azerbaijan. So what are you seeing right now, mga ka-Nestified? Above from the sky is the United Arab Emirates. So bye for now, UAE, Abu Dhabi, Dubai. We will be back after 2 days. So there you are mga ka-Nestified. Makikita nyo, up close and personal na tayo sa clouds. Ayan. So praise God sa opportunity na makita ito ang mga clouds na create ni Lord para sa atin. More than 2 hours na travel, mga ka-Nestified, nagising na ang inyong Disney princess, Char. Ayan, and I woke up with this beautiful view. I don't know if it is covered with the snow or sadyang white bundok lang talaga siya. Ayan, so ang ganda niya talaga, mga ka-Nestified. I hope everyone agrees with me na how amazing and beautiful the scenic view that we are seeing right now, right above the sky, diba, mga ka-Nestified? So, I'm not really that sure, but these mountains are very beautiful from above. And yan, may nakita kayo na white. I'm sure that would be the snow on the top of the mountain. So, patapos na kasi ang winter season. So, medyo konti na lang yung snowfall at saka snow. So, may naiwan lang ganda talaga siya. So, I'm just enjoying the view dito sa aking window, char. The window, mas kita. And, yeah, thankful ako dito sa opportunity na trip dahil ito, one of the moments ba na pag nasa airplane ka tapos nakikita mo yung view from the sky. So this time, ang mountains na may mga snow, kinover siya ng clouds. And amazing talaga yung creation ni Lord. No? Dito mo talaga ma-appreciate yung creation niya if you just want to realize the beauty. Ayan. So, focus tayo sa snow na naman. Snow mountain. And itong mga clouds nga, mga testified. Speaking of clouds, do you know na it is symbolizes of God's presence, diba? So, when you look up to the sky at nakikita kayo mga clouds, always remember yung presence ni Lord. Just like sa presence na binigay niya sa mga people niya before. So, ayan, padungaw-dungaw lang tayo sa bintana, mga ka-Nestify. And, appreciating the beauty lang din talaga. Ito lang talaga gusto ko sa mga travel na to. Appreciate the simple things that you are enjoying at the moment. Ayan na mga ka-Nestify, we're almost there. Makikita na natin yung Azerbaijan. Visible na ang city at mga houses, mga fields. Exciting to guys. Even ang mga tupad ko. Yan, mga tupad ko na excited din sila sa watch over the views ng Azerbaijan. So, ngayon lang, hindi man sila siguro maglumpat, no? Charot lang. So, as mentioned a while ago, yan, makikita natin yung mga malalawak na mga fields. I don't know what the field is that. So, ang Azerbaijan is rich talaga sa mga masasarap at magagandang mga fruit bearing din. And yes, ito na yung city. Yan, makikita na yung mga houses. Sobrang amazing talaga tong place na to. So, mag-enjoy talaga. For sure, mag-enjoy talaga kami dito sa stay namin kahit 2 days lang kami dito sa Azerbaijan. beautifully landed sa bansa ng Azerbaijan. Praise God for the safe flight. Praise God for the pilot na nag-take care sa amin. And of course, ito nga, dito na kami. Here we are! Welcome to Baku, Azerbaijan! Oh, ladies and gentlemen, look here. Welcome to Baku. Welcome to Baku, Azerbaijan. Gusto mo ba picture daw, no? Are we there? Okay, Wizz Air, thank you so much. Dito na kami sa Baku. Yan, welcome to Baku by Wizz Air. Artista, hi fans. Welcome to Baku. So this is it. These are the Spice Girls ready to explore Baku, Azerbaijan. Dito na kami sa So, Baku, as you can see, mga ka-Nestify, palabas na kami ng Baku International Airport. Pupunta na kami sa sasakyan. Yung tour guide namin, dumating na rin. Actually, he's waiting for us. So, ayan. Dire-diretso na kami to explore sa aming mga tour within today. Welcome to Baku! What's your name?
Mirza.
Mirzan?
Mirza.
Mirza! Thank you, Mirza. So, it's time to end this video, mga ka-Nestify. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. And see you on my next vlog sa aming pag-explore sa Baku. And yes, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like. God bless everyone!